This normal Lycra kit or this time trial suit. Last Friday I did 6 laps of this 4.7 kilometer road loop. I switched every lap between the TT suit and the normal kit. I even shaved my arms for this test to make sure that my arm hair is not the thing that's making the difference. Before every lap I zero offset my power meter to get the most accurate data. Then I started with a 30 km/h rolling start and aimed for a constant 332 watts in the same aero position. The loop has 3 corners that I took without braking. This protocol ensures that most of the difference between runs comes from aero drag or CDA. I compared the time, power, weighted power and ground speed. On average, the TT suit was 5 seconds or 0.4 km/h faster than the normal kit. But that's not the entire story. On Friday during the test it was very windy. So afterwards I plugged all my rides into my windsock to see if the weather made any difference. I compared the airspeed between the runs and it was 0.9 km/h. Remember that the difference in ground speed was 0.4 km/h. It appears that the wind was stronger on the runs with the TT suit. So the difference in CDA was even bigger than I expected. With the weather data, my windsock calculates the CDA per run. And it showed a more than 4% improvement. This translates to the TT suit being 14 watts faster at 45 km/h. Or 51 seconds over a 40 km time trial.